Hey, my name is Jesper and today we check out everything about water with your camper. This also means before we fill up the fresh water, we should make sure that this valve is closed. To open the intake, we need this little key. It's pretty easy. Turn it left and then you can open it and put it out. Pretty easy. Put the tube into the hole and then open it up and the water runs into the tank. During the fill-up process, you shouldn't leave the tube unattended. Overfilling the tank could damage your car. When the tank is full, just close it and lock it. In the case we still have some fresh water left and we don't need our camp anymore, we should empty the tank. This is pretty easy. Just go to your water tank and there is a little valve and we have to turn into the left-hand side and then you can hear the water dripping. If you see water dripping in the area of your heating system while you fill up your freshwater tank, this could be the protecting system for your water that it don't freeze. I will show you how to deactivate that. Turn the blue lever about 90 degrees and then push the blue button. Now the valve is closed. On the control panel you can see how much the tank is filled, also for your freshwater as well as for the greywater. If your greywater tank is full, I will show you how to empty it. To empty the greywater tank, you only need this little tool. Put it on the pole and then just open up the valve to empty the tank. Close it if the tank is empty. You're ready to go. It's recommended to leave the tank open if you don't really camping, because then the tank can fully dry out and nothing will start to live inside.